Hello and welcome to John Banks Renault and Dacia here in Ipswich. So one of our latest arrivals is the Nissan Qashqai. This is the premium edition version. Features the 1.3 140 petrol engine, developing 140 brake horsepower, and this is also mild hybrid as well. A very nicely presented car. It's done just over 20,500 miles. It has a full Nissan service history, which was last carried out July of this year. You got the diamond cut alloy wheels. They're all in very good order, as you can see there. The car is really nicely presented as well, been very well looked after. Some of the standard features on this, you've got the keyless entry system. It does have the 360 camera along with the associated parking sensors as well. Obviously you've got things like blind spot warning and what have you as well. Just walking around this side of the car as well. And something that is quite nice about it, which a lot of people do ask for on cars now, is you have got the fixed glass panoramic roof as well, which really does add a lot more light into the vehicle. So it's all too often now cars have got a grey cloth interior, so it really just sort of brightens it up a bit. Inside the car, in the back, you've got 3 headrests, 3 seat belts, central armrest, and from these kind of C-segment MPVs, quite a bit of legroom as well, so your rear seat passengers are always going to be in comfort. Up front, and again, you've got grey cloth interior, driver's seat height adjustment, and again, as you can see on the pictures here, the actual interior is very clean indeed. The car has done, as I said earlier, 20,514 miles. You've got your normal features like automatic lights and automatic wipers, all-round electric windows, folding door mirrors. In the centre here you've got your media system, so that will have a built-in sat-nav, although it will also contain Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as well. Dual zone air conditioning, 6-speed manual gearbox, electric handbrake with auto hold, so a real nice spec'd car. There are 2 keys for the vehicle as well. Upon sale, the car will go through the workshop, be fully checked. Warranty wise, you will be provided with a 12-month warranty and 12-month roadside assistance. We do offer extended warranties up to 36 months as well. So for further information, please contact us at John Banks Renault here in Goddard Road, East Ipswich. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.